Heidolph recognizes that not every evaporation process consists of a single solvent. In order to accommodate for that, the Hei-VAP Expert and Ultimate models have what we call ramping profiles. To access your ramping profiles, you'll hit the middle button at the top, followed by the middle button in the submenu. You'll then scroll once over to the right, where you can choose existing ramping profiles or create a new one. Once you have selected that, you can then begin choosing what your ramping profile is. Ramping allows you to have different set vacuum, rotation, and bath temperatures at different periods of time during your process. So if you need to pull down to a certain vacuum to evaporate off one solvent, and then later pull down further to evaporate another solvent, you can adjust these using ramping profiles. You also have the option to choose whether or not you want it to happen as fast as possible or in a more linear fashion to prevent things such as bumping. Afterwards, you would just save your profile, and then if you scroll once more to the right, you will see a graph of what will actually be happening over time during your process. While your evaporation process is actually running, you'll see an orange line that will give your actual conditions inside your evaporation flask. That way you can double check whether or not your actual are meeting your ideal conditions. If you move over once more to the right, you'll have a couple additional options that go with ramping, such as whether or not you want your vacuum, your rotation, or your heating bath to stop or hold after your process is ended. You can also choose whether or not what your hysteresis is over the course of your evaporation process. That was Heidolph's ramping profiles. Thank you very much.